Rivers are the birthplaces of civilizations, the heartbeat of life, culture, and faith. From here, fields get water, forests breathe, and cities quench their thirst. Rivers are the backbone of ecosystems. Fish, birds, wildlife, all depend on them. Millions of people are connected daily to rituals, livelihoods, and identity linked to these waterways. But today, these very rivers are in unprecedented crisis. This is a story of crisis, and also of solutions. Let's understand what's happening and what we can do together. Untreated sewage and solid waste are flowing directly into rivers. Sewage outfalls increase the load of nitrogen, phosphorus, and pathogens. Industrial waste poisons the water with heavy metals and chemicals. Chemical reactions create foam on the surface. Oxygen decreases, aquatic life dies. Uncontrolled urbanization, riverside settlements, and encroachment are blocking the flow. Floodplains shrink. The river's natural breathing space disappears. Data shows pollution levels have increased year after year. Sources are diverse, impacts widespread. Illegal settlements lack basic sanitation. Drains empty directly into the river. Solid waste segregation is weak. Trash piles up on riverbanks, turning into microplastics. The result? Loss of biodiversity, waterborne diseases, and the river choking. This crisis isn't local. It's a challenge for the entire watershed. Action is needed now. In Uttarakhand, the Ganga descends from the Himalayas, sacred, powerful, life-giving. The cultural and spiritual importance of the Ganga is immense. Faith, festivals, and traditions are linked to it. In the plains of Uttar Pradesh, it's the daily lifeline for millions of people. But untreated sewage still flows directly into the Ganga from many towns. Industrial waste, especially from leather and chemical industries, is a major source of pollution. Religious waste, flower garlands, non-biodegradable materials, further burdens the water. Encroachments along the riverbanks limit the flow path, increasing floods and erosion. The solution? Sewage treatment plants. Effective treatment from inlet to clarifier. Community efforts, locals, NGOs, students, are working together to clean the banks. Wetland restoration acts like a natural filter, absorbing nutrients, bringing back life. In West Bengal, urban pressure on the Ganga Hooghly is high. Improvements are ongoing, but there's still a long way to go. When respect and science come together, the Ganga can become pure again. Near Delhi, foam, trash, and black water flowing in the Yamuna are common sights. A small part of Delhi is considered responsible for 70% of the Yamuna's pollution. Domestic sewage reaches the river from drains without treatment. The organic load is very high. Solid waste and plastic block the flow, affecting both appearance and health. Chemical foam forms from detergents and phosphates, choking the ecosystem. Encroachment in the floodplain reduces the river's width and natural spread. Look at the map. The polluted inflow points from Wazirabad to Okhlar are the most severe. Bod, Kodi, and coliform levels are above standards. Water treatment capacity falls short. Towards solutions, increasing capacity, interceptor drains, real-time monitoring. Citizen participation, awareness, cleanup drives, waste control at the source. When sources are controlled, visible improvement is possible. Consistency is key. Helping the Yamuna breathe again is a combined test of our policies and habits. Sewage outfalls, high BOD, pathogens, excess nutrients, solid waste dumps, plastic leakage, microplastics, and visual pollution. Industrial waste, heavy metals and toxic chemicals deadly to aquatic life. Human settlements along riverbanks. Disposal without sewers and collection systems. Illegal encroachments. Increase flood risk. Cause water stagnation. Sand mining. Disrupt sediment balance. Causes bank erosion and habitat destruction. Destruction of wetlands. Natural filters are removed. Silt and nutrients increase in the river. First step, sewage treatment. Screening, aeration, clarification, and disinfection. Interceptor drains divert nala flow to STPs, stopping bypass. Wetland restoration. Plants and microbes absorb nutrients. Bird habitats return. Removing encroachments, freeing floodplains to give the river its breathing space back. Restoring the river's natural flow, side channels, riffle pools, base flow conservation. Community cleanup campaigns. Weekend drives, local leadership, continuous monitoring, waste segregation and recycling, source separation, MRFs, circular economy, compliance with standards, real-time data, and strict enforcement make improvements sustainable. Result: clean banks, returning birds, healthy flow, hope becomes reality. River rejuvenation is not just the government's responsibility, it's a shared responsibility for all of us. Small steps: planting trees, not littering, using water wisely. When local knowledge and science come together, solutions become lasting. When we work together, rivers once again overflow with life. Let's start now. For our water, for our tomorrow.